If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by going to System Settings, selecting Internet, and then Test Connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router. Step 2. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart. Wait for the console to reboot and try connecting again. Step 3. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your system software is up to date. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can help with matchmaking errors. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings. Choose your network, select Change Settings, and scroll down to DNS settings. Switch to manual and enter a public DNS like Google's 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting tips or help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2025 and enjoy your gaming experience on the Nintendo Switch. Happy gaming!